Alright, we're doing another job here. No rest for the wicked. This is a tear down, as you can see. Got the cat. Yep, another job. Gotta make money somehow. Sounds like we get an alarm going off in the house. Maybe somebody's still in it. There's the kitchen sink, the stove, and everything, guys. Talk about a header. This is a single wide manufactured home from like 1968, 70, something like that. We're gonna tear it down, fill in the hole, and call it a day. We'll keep the metal bar. We'll take down the other little house here. Crazy alarm. Everybody out of the house. I'm just salvaging anything I can right now. Nothing like tearing down a house. It's got a basement. These old folks took years to build this. What a shame all this stuff goes away, huh? Thrown away. Definitely running that thing like a machine, that's for sure. He's doing a great job. Great job. Alright, signing out. Oh crap, what's next? Tear down the house!